So are graphic design jobs in demand in 2021? Being a designer myself, I've been doing this for over 8 years now, and I can tell you that it's been the best time right now to start as a designer. And I'm gonna quickly show you some statistics from IBIS World. If I just quickly go to the website, you can see the global graphic designers market size from 2004 to 2027. Basically, it's a $41 billion market size in 2021, right? So it's been the biggest more than ever, right? A global market size growth increase of 5.1%. And you can see the annualized market size growth is 0.4%. So you can see the market is growing. You can see over time from 2012 how it steadily increased. Then obviously like pandemic last year, but now it's picking back up. And it's only gonna keep increasing and growing even more. And the reason is because technology is evolving, right? Right now we need more digital designers than ever. We need product designers, UI, UX. People want a deeper experience. A lot more people are on smartphones and mobiles, right? So that's why I believe that graphic design is going to keep growing. And one of the other big things is that, like even Gary Vee used to talk about a lot of the time, is developing a content strategy and designing content. So that's become a big part as well. Even for me, you know, I get a lot of clients these days that need content for Instagram, for LinkedIn, you know, or YouTube. And I think that's one of the biggest things, being a social media designer or a content designer, even marketing designers now, you know, to design infographics, to design landing pages. All these things are popular and are needed in the industry because so many people are online now. Everything's connected, right? Globalization. And that's why I believe that it's going to keep growing, keep expanding. So how can you position yourself as a designer, right? You know, there's so many different niches you can do. You can do brand design, I'm a logo designer. You can still stick with graphics, but start thinking of how you can make it more digital. You know, creating digital banners, creating websites, landing pages, stuff like that, interactions. A big one is being a motion designer. You know, with the rise of GIFs and Lottie files or Lottie animations, you know, especially integrating things into Webflow and all those things, is that, you know, people need motion designers for illustrations and for brand projects. So branding and motion has become more important than ever. So if you can expand beyond just the basic graphic design and start developing, you know, illustration, motion, you know, getting into 3D, I think that is popular as well, especially in games. Like if you look at the new Unreal Engine, even Unity as well is a good one. They develop, you know, games and 3D and all that stuff. So how can we grow, expand our design skills? But 100%, from my opinion, I believe that it's 100% in demand, and we need to be there to support our clients, to help and offer value to the world. So let me ask you this: are you going to position yourself as a designer that's willing to deliver value in 2021 and beyond? Let me know in the comments. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think it's in demand or not? And I'll be happy to chat to you in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate your thoughts. And remember to smash that like button and subscribe for more design content every week. And if you're a beginner designer that wants to learn, you can check out my design courses on Skillshare. I've got courses all the way from freelancing, logo design to brand identity. So you can check it out. Link in the description, 14 days free premium. And I'm sure it's going to help you out. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it. I'll talk to you in the next video.